Guys? Well, today I got my new computer here, a Windows 7, my YouTube page. Not a bad band. But we're going to be looking at my Cartown garage. There's a few of you out there that already know. Facebook game. There we go. Well, today I'll get a chance to go see it now. Oops, I forgot to get all my cash in. Takes a lot of cash in a game to run a, to run a garage. Anywhere actually. Probably lost a lot of money there. Anyway. Here's my Fallout truck. Actually, this is Fallout truck number 1. Lights on the roof so you can see some blood splatter hitting the zombies or whatever was out there in the way. Not to be confused with a game. For the movie back in the 70s right here, out of a Chrysler 300. Here's the car. And here's my V8 right here, which is away for the summer because it's too hot to drive it right now. There's a new vehicle they added recently. Is this a Holden? Oh, it's a Falcon utility. Basic stuff like that I added to it. My Power Wagon Dodge. Diesel though. Has that power though right in. It used to be orange, that blue. I painted it blue. There's a Toyota from the Top Gear section in the game. Brand new, I guess. 84, huh? Grill looks like an 86. They said that was supposed to be diesel in there, and I heard the engine running on the show, so it's diesel. Diesel Suburban. Let's see. Diesel Dodge, no, GMC van. My favorite one right here. This one's kind of fun. Power Wagon Dodge. Knew somebody had a convertible Mustang like that. Well, actually an older one. That was back in the day. Modeled this one after Corvair Wild's Suburban he had. 454 logo on his fender right there, the white part. That was a pain to work on. So, my teacher had a van like this, my late teacher, William Mendoza of Ramona Junior High. And I put the bar down there for some extra support to it. Two-tone roof panel because it was convertible. Removable panel. Same year too. Custom truck I made. That's a black center part around the grill. And there's a line right there, black right there. Sad the look of it. I modeled, oops, I don't want that, oh well. After the one in Jeepers Creepers. Same color. My Resident Evil collection here. With the umbrella logos. And some blood on it. Here, let me bring up the roof for you guys. Can't even see that logo with the blood on there. Rust and stuff. Oops, don't want to buy it. Here's my first one right here that I made. This was a special one. You can tell how old it is when I show it to you. Because look at afterlife and availability. Let's bring it up. Yeah. We're all in the front. Our business is life itself. Resident Evil Survivor. And there's the back. My custom fire truck here. Mad Max style and a Mustang though, older Mustang though. More power too. Custom modifications. James Bond movie in the 70s, the Spy Who Loved Me car. Same year. Seemed like more powerful 4-cylinder than I thought, even back then. Alright, oops, you know what? There's some new cars in here. Let's see them real fast. There's not much time on this one available. That one looks kind of good, but I don't have enough cash to buy it right now. But I'm going to try it though. This one I would love to buy right here, guys. I really would. These are not upgrades to previous photos. They're the real thing. But I don't have that. Too difficult to get. Let's see. Oh, I still got this one. A lot of them. Ford Coupe, it's more like. Still looks stock too. Just a quick look at the cars available here. I like the heavy vehicles, you know why? Because if you can drive those things real well, imagine how well you can drive a lightweight vehicle. A lighter vehicle like this one right here. Alright, that completes my tour of my garage and the car showroom right there. Oops. Oh well. Join me next up after this video. Well, it's not really part 2, but it kind of is the tour of my Cartown farm. Modeled after Davidsfarm. Thanks for watching, guys.